Now you guys can hear me. Okay. My bad. Trading NQ today. That's what we're doing. Wow. A gigantic red candle. I'm gonna hop in on the reverse because I'm already too late for this, I think. How's everyone's day going? Now you guys can hear me. Okay. There we go. My bad. Good. Good, good, good. Look at the 1 hour. I'm gonna take a buy. Oh, we filled in that gap. This actually might be a good buy.
Order filled.
One contract. It's NQ, right? Yes, yes. What's my target? Right over here. Alright, risking 300 to make 1,000. No. I should have been more patient. I hopped in too early. That being said, I'm gonna cut my loss short. Instead of a $300 loss to 25. Could do 250. That's fine. If we get stopped out, it'd be like that. I might get stopped out here, but that's fine.
Order filled.
That's fine. Where's our next entry is the question, though. Wow. Really pushing down, eh? It's crazy. I don't even see any fair value gaps, guys. I mean, on the 1 hour, we're creating one. Like, if we have a retracement, I'll enter in short over there. Maybe we're targeting these lows here. It'd be crazy if price goes down here. I'll put a buy order just in case we do, though. It's so far down. Just gotta be patient. Market only opened 20 minutes ago. I just checked the Robinhood. See what's going on over there. Everything's dumping. Nice. Not nice, but like, it'd be like that. SPY is still holding strong at 608. Wow. Might be a good day to buy a put option on it. You know what I'm saying? So, wow, we're really just pushing lower. Do we just hop in short?
Order filled.
Alright, we'll hop in short, put our stop loss right below, right above this candle. No. Be so funny the second I hop in short if we lose. If I get stopped out right now, it's totally fine. Oh, it's totally fine. I would just really appreciate if we don't, but oh man, I'm tired. crazy, yo. Second I hopped in and reversed on my, wow. I'm gonna try something new, guys. I'm gonna have a massive stop. Nah, that would be dumb. Shoot. I'm kind of scared right now. Oh, no way, bro. I can't take such a loss, y'all. It's crazy. My first day on this account. Come on. Put my stop at 480. If I get stopped, whatever, yo. I can't lose more than that. This is not good.
Order filled.
Holy smokes. I don't even feel confident to enter long right now. Because this has happened once, twice before. It's a momentum ride, bro. Alright. Should I try being a momentum trader today? No, I want more confirmation. This looks good so far. I want more confirmation though. Oh, we're down 720 today so far. It's unfortunate. See, that was a liquidity grab. We might go down lower. If we do, I'm taking short. Wow, we're pushing. Okay.
Order filled.
Let's enter. See if we can squeeze out of this. I'm having a super tight stop loss on this right now though. Like, if this candle reverses, I'm out. We're targeting, yeah, sure. I'll target all-time highs. It's not even, it's so funny. What does price wanna do?
Order filled. Alright guys, I'm taking one more trade for the day. I'm done. I'm gonna wait for my perfect setup, I guess. This is... I got stopped out for nothing. Gonna wait for the last candle before 10 o'clock. Oh, this happens when you wake up late and you start trading late. I shouldn't have taken it. Wow, bro, I could have just stayed in that trade. So unfortunate. I say there was a gap. Wow, we are really pushing. Look at that wick. It's disgusting. Disgusting wicks. I would like to see price go down.
Trying to time that reversal, it ain't easy. Taking one last trade today, guys. I can't lose this account. As a matter of fact, forget about it. Of course, I got stopped out before I got to go on this experience here. Wow, we're just pushing, bro. I wish I didn't get stopped out. I have a sell order right here. Hello? Why do people call and just don't say anything, bro? Spam callers, you hear? Wow. Freaking disgusting push. Take a sell over there. If only I stayed in my long. Wow,
Order
holy
filled.
smokes. Wow, okay. Order filled. Put it at this high right here. Liquidated all those people. Okay. Nice. Beautiful so far. No. Yo, it's pushing today, bro. It is pushing. Don't need to have a big stop loss on this trade. If it goes further than that, there's no reason for me to stay, honestly. I will gladly take another contract if we go lower. If we no, don't stop. I'm not gonna let it stop me out for something stupid like that. If we go below the 200 EMA, I'll take another contract. A lot of fair value gaps in the 1 minute. No.
Order filled.
Okay. Want my thing to break? No. Keep a 250 risk. This red candle holds, hopefully. Alright. I think we got a nice little reverse trade here. I hope. No. Okay. Wow, whoa, why are we pushing? Nah, it's gonna stop me out for something stupid. No, I can't risk that much. I can't afford such a risk.
Order filled.
Are you crazy? Yo. I don't know what to do anymore, guys. Oh, every trade stopped out. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm so out of ideas. Of course, price went back down after I got stopped out. It's disgusting on the 5 minutes. It was fair value gap.
Order filled.
It might have been a mistake. Alright, we're short on NQ. Looking to fill in this fair value gap here. We'll take another contract if we get down here. Setting my stop loss right above this wick. I didn't check Twitter today. What's on Twitter? Nice push. Very nice push. Yeah, nothing going on today with the news. Alright, we broke through the 9 EMA on the 1 minute. We're gonna find, we might find some support on the 5 minute. Okay. De-risk a little, let's break even for now. $5, whatever. I will love to take another contract if we hit it. I'm not gonna force
Order
anything.
filled.
Alright, nice. Nice. Not risking $410 though. I'll risk $200. I'm gonna wait for another 5 minute candle to close. Hopefully we don't get stopped out because there's no chance I would risk $800 on this short. Yeah, I'm gonna stop loss right there. know you want to fill in the fair value gap. Come on, price, please. Alright. How many points is this even? So it's 9 points to 34 points, roughly speaking. Okay. I'm streaming. I told them not to. We're going to get going to Orange Theory later. Told them come at 3. Beautiful. Give me a bigger push. Whatever. Oh, nice. Are we gonna just give me dojis here? Come on. I don't like when it stalls out. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Just keep pushing. I'd be absolutely flabbergasted if we push up. Honestly. I really would. Okay, we're getting rejection off the 50 and the 9 EMA. 50 is crossed over the 9 on the 1 minute chart. On the 5 minute, it's still above. But I want to see it come down at least and test it. We need an aggressive sell right now. A really big push. For the people that went long here, and the people that went long here, and the people that went long here, we need a big push down to liquidate them and make those sell orders go off. We're dancing around, huh? I don't want to get stopped out, bro. I don't know. I don't know anymore. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Don't ever try and learn from me how to trade futures. I hate these stupid dojis. It's ridiculous. Honestly, it really is. It's not telling me what price is doing. Are you serious? No, you're not stopping me out. Look, over here the same thing happened. It wicked up to almost the top of the candle. So if that's gonna be the case right now, I don't want to get stopped out. That's the only reason I raised my stop loss. Okay, maybe that's a wrong call. It looks like it is a wrong call, but
Order filled.
Again, we're gonna blow the account live. Hope you guys are entertained by this. How? How did that just happen? Down 1,600 on the day. Have not won a single trade. Of course it reverses. That's so
Order
unacceptable. One contract. Didn't I tell you guys it was gonna happen? Super tight stop loss. Cause yeah, there's no reason it should go. There's no reason it should go higher than that if it's going in my direction.
Order filled.
Alright, we have one last trade to take. I'm just gonna wait for a price to come to all-time highs. And take a contract. That's it. And be patient. Just sit here. And wait. Check Robinhood. SPY is almost at all-time highs. Crypto is getting slapped up today. My portfolio's facing the problem. I'm so sick of these cryptos, yo. This is like so bipolar. Can't make a decision. We got anybody in chat? Don't be afraid to speak up. If it happens, it happens. I'm not gonna force it. I literally have a sell order at all time highs. Nah, that would be crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if price comes here. But these candles, yo. That's on the 5-minute chop session. I'm not entering. Oh my god. It's okay. That is okay. We're gonna wait for a good entry. How the 15-minute looks. Well, I only got one more trade before I blow the account. See how it pushes just like a little before it? Make everyone get stopped out, whoever put their short stop loss on that wick right there. Nope, not entering yet. I'm waiting for that sell order to get hit. But if this candle reverses, got him short. Could be a good entry, low key. Let's see. These wicks would indicate a reversal is coming, honestly. But you see, I just got bought up on the 1 minute. Yo, Jacob. It's a long. Go for a long. I'm down 1,700 on the day. I'm blowing my account live again today. Unless my next, unless the next trade hits. Bro, disgustingness. It's absolutely disgusting today. Look at the 15 minute, yo. Look at these wicks. Do you understand, like, just look at the length of these wicks. Whatever, I have a short at all time, at the high, recent highs. Yeah, bro, I don't know. I traded on a practice account last night, and I was also down. I don't know, man. I'm just getting wrecked day after day. So you gotta adjust. Yeah, man, I do gotta adjust. I don't know what the heck I'm doing wrong. Just I'm taking the wrong trades. I feel like I would be crazy to go long right here. 3 giant green candles already. Increase your stop, bro. I had a pretty big stop loss today, actually. All right. The jazz is a nice touch. Good, good. I'm glad. How big is the stream delay? Maybe like 45 seconds to a minute. I'm not sure, honestly. You can look at the time over here and compare it to what time it is currently. And you can see the stream delay. Let's see. You guys are about a minute behind. Not even, you're about 35 seconds behind. Not too bad. Market is gonna recover now. Yeah, it's a lot of hopium. Not the crypto market. Crypto market's dumping today. Stupid coins. Be buying the dip. There's no more dip to buy. It's all cooked. Yo, Jacob, what do you think? Do I full port the account and buy 5 contracts at this high over here, going short? What do you think? I have 1 contract. Still want this fair value gap to get filled, so I am looking for a short. I just think it's gonna happen at the top over here. After we liquidate anyone that went short. What is the interval for each graph? Left versus right? I keep switching them here and there. This is the 1 minute on the left for now. This is the 5 minute. And I'll look at the 15 here and there, but yeah. Disgusting. All these wicks. Do I go long, bro? Like, nah, now it's definitely too late. You know, it's funny. I took a long and I got stopped out. Had I stayed in that first, what was it? It was like my second trade. If I just didn't get stopped out, I would have been just fine. But I got stopped out. You at work today, Jacob? Working from home? Nah, you're in office. "15 contracts, 125-minute hits it level, no balls." Well, I can only do 5 max. Alright, F it, honestly. I'll do 5 contracts. It's the Hail Mary to save this account. There you go, 5 contracts, max. I just gotta adjust my stop loss. Oh, it's at 500, it's fine. We might even reverse before we get there, honestly, but we'll see. In office with nothing to do. I mean, if you got nothing to do, it's not too bad. Chilling. Alright, we might. Oh, shoot! I'm gonna just raise it a little bit because there's gonna be that liquidation thing where like it wicks like crazy, and I don't wanna. Did I miss the entry? No! Come on. Ah, yeah, we're shorting. Hopefully, I think we'll get filled, no problem. I'm not entering too early. I wanted to liquidate those people who have their stop loss there. I'm so tired. I've not been sleeping well. Oh shoot, I think I missed the short. Based on how the candles look right now though, like,
Order filled. Order filled.
it happened so fast. The freaking Are you happy, Jacob? Are you happy? Holy crap. Of course, price reverses. You had a feeling that we were gonna hit all-time highs today? Oh, I'm so tired of this. However, it's another $50 lost. Alright, so Top Step has got $14.50 out of me. I've gotten 0. I'm starting a new account right now, guys. 1 second. 1 second. I hope you like my wallpaper. I'm resetting my account. Alright. New account.
Of course, it just goes. Jacob, we were right.
If I just didn't get freaking stopped out that quickly, like, I would have been fine. Liquidity had to be added back somehow. Yeah. No way we push higher. That. Do I go long? This is an easy short now. Man, if I was already in it, look, I'll take a. If I get filled here, I'll take this trade. I'm playing it safe, like super safe from now on, dude. I can't keep losing accounts. This is absolutely insane, honestly. It really is. Yeah, I'm taking it slow. I'm waiting. If we fill in this fair value gap right over here, I'll get in short. The account was effed anyway. Yeah, man. Look, if I just had like, if I had a better entry, if I had my entry over here, whatever, it'd be like that. It's only $50. Hey guys, new funded account, new me. I've had this title for the past 3 days and I've lost an account every single day. Really? Prices. No, we still have this fair value gap here to fill. Don't forget about that, chat. Don't forget about this fair value gap right here. Is that where we're going right now? I don't know if I should take short now or wait for it to come back up. I can't enter it now. I can't. Or maybe I should try and ride the momentum. I'm always trying to catch reversals, but maybe I should go for this momentum. TopSub actually overcharged me yesterday. They charged me $162 instead of $50. What's the fair value gap? I know you explained. I'll explain it again. Fair value gaps is imbalance in price action. So on the 5 minutes, we have 3 consecutive green candles. When you have 3 consecutive green candles or 3 consecutive red candles, you have a fair value gap. And the gap is from this wick, alright, to this wick. This is a fair value gap, this location here. Because we had so much buying, so it created this imbalance. Alright, so price generally will come back into this gap, fill in price, and then continue in the direction it was going. So we don't have a third green candle here, but I still think price is going to come up here, fill the gap. I'm going to get entered in short, and then we'll continue down. Again, This is all assumptions, pretty much. But that's what the fair value gap. And the same thing with the red candles. If you have red candles going down, you have this fair value gap right here. Too much selling pressure. Price will go down, fill the gap. Price will go up, fill the gap, and then go back down in a selling position. Whereas with buying, price will come down, fill the gap, go up. If that makes sense. It just keeps moving in the same direction. Yeah, it didn't. Wait. What do you mean? What do you mean? I really want to take a short, but I'm being patient. That's it. I'm gonna have the most patience in trading now. If it doesn't come to my price, then oh well. I don't take the trade. I just need to. I need to lock in that. Like, at what point is a fair value gap irrelevant? I don't think it's irrelevant. Like, look, it won't tell you when price will go there. But fair value gaps at a certain point in time will most certainly, like 99%, get filled. Gaps are really, really important. Like, not just fair value gaps. If you look at a chart, like, meaning, are you always referencing a fair value gap if it occurred like 30 minutes? Yeah, because gaps will get filled over time. If you look at S&P, you can see that every single gap we had was filled over the past like 5 months. Gaps do get filled. They're really, really important actually, because it shows imbalances in price. And what does price want to do? It always wants to balance itself, right? Market wants to be balanced and efficient. So when you have these gigantic fair value gaps, that's an imbalance in the market. If I had that 5 contract position and didn't get stopped out like immediately, we'd be doing really nice right now. Did that make sense, Jacob? If I don't take any more trades today, so be it. Yeah. Yeah, the thing is, like, fair value gaps aren't, there's no time on them. Like, market, like we saw, could keep pushing and pushing, but eventually, at some point, the fair value gap will be visited again, you know? I can see it working in the immediate. What do you mean? Alright, so we had pretty nice selling. I'm hoping price will come back up, pop up and fill me. If not, oh well, we just broke below the 9 EMA. What's your point? Oh, that it'll just happen at a certain point in time, not necessarily right away. Yeah. In a day trading perspective, yeah. But at a certain point, it will get filled. Like, if you're a swing trader and use fair value gaps, like, if you look at it on the... Yeah, but still, even if we're in new price conditions, if it keeps moving up, at a certain point, price will... price typically will fill in the gap. No, I just explained. It's caused by imbalances. Markets are made to be efficient. If there's an inefficiency in the market, it's gonna go and fix it. You just can't predict when the exact timing of it will be. Do I go long again? Is that what we're doing? No, I'm just playing. Why is it a coincidence? Why would it be a coincidence if price came back here to balance out the chart? Oh yeah, you can't predict when. Like, yeah, that's why you take the chance. So if let's say your strategy, people don't do this, but let's say your strategy is solely entering on fair value gaps, and you have like a 1-to-3 ratio, and you win one of those. All right, it works. I don't think after 30 minutes it's irrelevant. Look, we still. I think by the end of today, this gap will be filled right here. That I want to get in short to fill in that gap. I'll have a buy. You know what? I will have a buy order at that fair value gap. So if I missed this short, I'm gonna get in for this long. Price is really just trickling. But you can intelligently predict when because of the new price action. Yeah, I mean, look, no one could time things perfectly, I guess. Alright, now I will have my entry here at this fair value gap. I'll get in a short on this one, and then I'll can't. Yeah, bro, Jacob, I think you have to understand also that nothing in trading is foolproof. I'm like living proof of it. Nothing is foolproof, no matter what. Yeah, so yeah. Thing is, see if we get filled.
Order filled.
Alright, we're in. I am not risking 500 though. I'm risking max 250 on this trade to target $1,000. I should have waited. I had my initial sell here. It's funny, guys, isn't it? But have to know what's the most efficient way to use it. Indicators. I don't like indicators. Indicators are lagging. Like I only have the 9 EMA and the 200 EMA, and like they're okay, but indicators are always lagging. So they're not reliable. Just in my opinion. Most indicators are very, very not reliable. Some of them will help you with certain things, but yeah. Indicates meaning things that give you a idea of price action and allow non-physical indicators. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, fine. I get what you're saying. I thought you meant like indicators. You know, I'm so confident in this trade. I will risk 500. I'm gonna do it right for the first time. I'm gonna actually risk the amount that should be risked. A 1-to-2 ratio. If I lose this trade, I'm done for the day. But I'm not getting stopped out for stupidity again. I think that's a big mistake I'm making. Take one good trade setup a day and not get stopped out. No, I shouldn't do that. Why? You don't think we're gonna go down? So, bro, I'm not getting stopped out. I am pretty confident in this trade. That's why I don't want to get stopped out. My only hesitancy is we did bounce off the 9 EMA on the 5-minute really strongly. See, I probably could have entered on this initial spot that I said to. This gap right here, I think it will. So I should have been. I wasn't patient enough. Again, it's like I was like I don't learn from my mistakes. I wanted to enter here. If we just have what we had over here, 2 red candles, and then we have this little curl up, then yeah, that's gonna be kind of problematic. So yeah, I shouldn't have my stop loss that high. Really hungry. Alright. We entered in short on NQ. My final trade of the day because I'm not blowing another account today. After so much buying and selling, I think the market would be kangaroo for a little. Good for small trades, but the risk stuff, wait until you see a clear direction towards that gap. Market has to show for a bit. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. That's why I just said if we're gonna have this right now, it's gonna suck. But look at this. Higher low, higher high, right? We were setting higher highs and lower lows the whole time. Higher Settle down. We were setting higher highs and higher lows this whole time. We just set a lower high and a lower low. That being said, we could be in a prime position for a trend reversal. Literally, as I speak, as if I know what I'm saying, price goes in the opposite direction. It's so funny, guys. If I lose this trade, I'm closing out for the day. I'm not trading anymore. I'm done. Now you like that, Jacob, huh? Huh? I'm tired and hungry. Holy schmolies. Go to gym. I'm actually going to Orange Theory today. I'm getting my body fat tested. Hey, we're getting that push. Nice. I gotta make content today. Wow, we got bought up after that. After that push, we're getting bought up. Stupid price. I was in green for half a second there. Come to the fair value gap. Come to the fair value gap. Nah, if I lose this trade, I'm done for the day. I can't trade anymore. I'm gonna record a video for the Rookies Bull Run, hopefully. I gotta upload some YouTube shorts on the other channels. Cause we making content non-stop. It's so gloomy today. It's supposed to be pouring rain today. So boring, bro. I hate chop. It's just Set kangaroo, yeah. Yeah. Price just sucks when it does this. You know, on the 15-minute gap, there's no fair value gap visible. You can only see the fair value gap I was talking about on the 1 minute, kind of, but mainly on the 5 minutes. I think this might be a good trade, actually. I hope. So much anxiety during chop. Yeah, man. I hate the chop. That's why. Because it just, it's constantly like, oh, shoot, oh, no, type of thing. Yeah, I hate it. So for which does it matter the most? You're saying, because I said the fair value gap was only on the 5 minute. I personally have found that trading a 5 minute is better, and see every time frame is used for something else. I like to use 5 minutes to tell me like a lot about price, like where it's gonna go, what I think is gonna happen, and then I use the 1 minute typically for my entries because 1 minute is more granulated, obviously, so it can give you a better entry, whereas the 5 minutes can just tell you like what's going on in the immediate time. 15 minutes also is really good. Yeah. Alright, we're finally getting a push. Let's see if it keeps going down. I would love to see this fair value gap filled. That's what I want. Chop. You can't see me, right? Oh man, what are you doing over here? So the only thing I don't like is how we're finding pretty good support on the 9 EMA, which I don't like, and on the 1 minute we broke above the 9 EMA. Those are not good signs. I'm gonna get stopped out. Stupid chop. What is this? How long is this position? Yo, it can last a long time. Like, I may get stopped out very, very soon. But, bro, positions can last. You wanna see how it ends? I'm gonna get stopped out is how it ends, bro. Always, always. I'm doing this right. I'm sorry. I don't care. I'm not being stopped out like that. I would have got stopped out, just so you know. I would have been stopped out already. I had my stop loss initially there. Look, I'm still going for about a 1 to 2 risk to reward, so I don't care. We gotta go. Got a work meeting. My stop loss will be right over here. I did want to enter initially here, so I'll put my stop loss there. I refuse to have been stopped out like that. Double down, take another contract. I'm flabbergasted that price is actually pushing. See, look how it went just a tick above all of this chop session. Why? To liquidate anyone that went short. Now I think price will go in my direction. I would hope. Played safe. Too many accounts. I know Tilt on Nacion. And you're on. I am on a Tilt. I've burned 3 accounts in the past 2 days. If I get stopped out here, I'm done for the day. I'm locking myself out. Maybe I'll trade Asia session. We'll see. I lose money in Asia session. I lose money all the time. I suck at day trading, guys. I'm gonna go back to bed. Alright, price is stalling out. Nope, never mind. We're just pushing again. You think we're gonna liquidate this guy again? You think we're gonna go low again? I want to see big selling pressure right now. Big selling pressure. 67% of traders right now, on Top Step that is, are long. 34% are short. I'm the 34%. Great. That's actually not that good. We're bouncing off the 90 EMA again. I gotta see it break the 90 EMA. Gotta see it happen. You think I'm cooked? We shall see. We shall indeed see. Oh, low key? Oh, it almost came up to where I was gonna enter. Let's see. It's kangaroo, bro, like you said. That's not good. Yeah, it has to reverse. And we got a giant green candle. What the freak is this? Think this is a game? This is a game? It's a game for all these institutions. So on Top Step, you can only stay in a position until end of closing day. When you trade with your own money, you can hold positions over time. Like if I trade on my regular brokerage account, futures, you could literally just sit in a trade for days, weeks even. I don't know what's gonna happen here. What do you guys think is gonna happen? Am I gonna get stopped out for a $430 loss, or we're gonna drop? We are getting this nice kind of double top here. I don't know what to think anymore. Everything I say is just wrong. Maybe I should stop talking. Guys, we're gonna push up higher. We're definitely going higher. We're gonna hit an all-time new high today. Price is definitely not gonna go down. I think I'm losing my mind. I think I'm losing my mind. Leave my mouse there, because that is where I wanted to initially get filled, but I couldn't wait. We've been in this trade for so long. This has been going on since this chop has started. 10:34. It's been 30. It's been almost 40 minutes. All right, I didn't have the patience to wait 40 minutes to enter where I wanted to, and price would have actually probably came and entered me here. So we'll see. I gotta leave. I'm already in the trade. What am I gonna do? I either get stopped out or, yeah, man. I ain't going nowhere. I'll accept the loss. $310, $290, $285, $280, $285. All right, so I would have got. No, I wouldn't have got filled yet. Yo, good for the market. It's pushing. Yeah, but what's the difference between 300 and 430, bro? It's not a big loss. Let's see what happens. It is crazy that price is pushing up. I mean, wow. Bull run, huh? Look, you gotta charge my phone. $130. That's a big difference. Yeah, I guess it kind of is. But like, if you have one winning trade, you know, to make $130 is nothing. It's just if you ever get the one winning trade, you know. You know what I'm saying? Ay, ay, ay. I spent almost like 95% of this trade just being in red. You gotta go. Talk to you later, bro. Thanks for pulling up. Four viewers though. Yeah.
Order filled.
Oh, we got filled. That's it. That's it. We're done. If I see you know, before I do anything I'm gonna regret. At least lock me out for until 2 o'clock. No, today. Yeah, for 2 hours and 46 minutes. Lockout. Alright, chat. I don't know who's in the stream. Thank you for pulling up. You got to witness me blowing an account live and then losing another 430 on my new account. GG's. Have a great day, everyone. Stay tuned for another video later today, hopefully. Bye.